How to change flipped camera on Samsung phone. So here I'll detail how you can easily change or flip camera on your Samsung Galaxy phone. So if you're recording the video or you want to take a picture on your Galaxy phone and you want to flip the camera to use rear camera or front camera, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to change flipped camera on Samsung phone, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the camera app on your Samsung Galaxy phone. Now once you open the camera app, then you can just switch to video. Now while recording video on your Samsung Galaxy phone and you want to flip the camera, all you just need to do is click on this flip icon at the bottom right. Then you'll see the camera flipped like this. And once the camera is flipped, you'll still be able to continue recording your video. And then the video is not going to stop recording while you flip the camera. Then you can just click on this to stop or click on this to pause. Now, if you want to flip camera while using the photo feature on your Samsung phone camera, just select photo, then click on this flip icon to flip the camera from rear camera to front camera. You can also use this on portrait. So you see that? So that is basically how to change flip camera on Samsung. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.